What if I told you that a single simple habit could activate your body's hidden repair system so powerfully that scientists are stunned by the results? What if this one change could double your stem cells in as little as 30 days, without pills, without expensive treatments, and without complicated routines? Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking insights revealed by Dr. William Li, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this science-backed habit is captivating researchers worldwide. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who cares about longevity, healing, or simply living a stronger, healthier life, then you're in the right place. Let's get straight into review and break down what this habit is, what the research shows, and how it can transform your body from the inside out. When you first look at this habit from the outside, or what we might call the exterior, it seems incredibly simple. In fact, almost too simple. We're used to believing that major health breakthroughs come from complex medical interventions, advanced therapies, or expensive supplements. But what Dr. William Li emphasizes is that the power of this habit is in its accessibility and consistency. You don't need special equipment, high-end ingredients, or laboratory-grade tools. You can apply it in your daily routine without disrupting your lifestyle. This is why the exterior appeal is so strong. It doesn't overwhelm you. It doesn't require months of preparation, and it doesn't introduce complicated steps. Instead, it gives you a clean, clear, approachable method that anyone, from busy parents to older adults to fitness enthusiasts, can implement. The exterior impression is so approachable that most people underestimate it at first glance. But that's exactly where the surprise begins, because the real transformation happens under the surface. Speaking of under the surface, let's talk about the interior. What's happening inside the body when this habit is practiced? To keep this short as you requested, the core idea is that this habit activates your body's natural stem cell production from within. Stem cells are your internal repair crew. They rebuild tissues, regenerate blood vessels, and restore damaged cells. When this habit is applied consistently, the interior environment of your body becomes more regenerative. Inflammation begins to lower. New cells replace older or damaged ones more efficiently, and your internal healing mechanisms become sharper and faster. It's like your body upgrades its internal operating system without you even realizing it. While the outside routine stays simple, the interior changes are profound. Now let's talk performance, because once this habit is in motion, the performance benefits ripple across multiple systems in the body. People often describe feeling more energetic, more mentally alert, and more physically resilient. Athletes notice improved recovery times. Older adults feel their joints moving more freely. Even younger individuals say their daily stress response becomes smoother and their sleep improves. And here's where Dr. Li's scientific perspective becomes especially important. Doubling your stem cells isn't just a fun statistic. It actually means your body has more repair units available at any given moment. Your muscles recover faster, your skin regenerates better, your immune system becomes more adaptive, and your organs have better support. Performance isn't just about how you feel, it's about measurable biological improvements. The research Dr. Li references shows that the body becomes more capable, more responsive, and more durable. It's like upgrading from a standard engine to a high-efficiency model that uses the same fuel but delivers far more power. Safety features also matter, especially when promoting any health routine. One of the strongest advantages of this habit is that it works with your body rather than forcing it into unnatural states. Because it relies on natural biological pathways, the risk of side effects is extremely low. This makes it fundamentally safer than many experimental therapies or trends that circulate on the internet. There are no artificial chemicals involved, no risk of dependency, and no aggressive interventions that could disrupt your hormones or immune system. You're essentially tapping into your body's built-in safety protocols that have existed since the beginning of human evolution. Dr. Li emphasizes that the simplicity of this habit is what makes it safe, because it supports natural stem cell mobilization rather than artificially stimulating it through external drugs. This leads to steady, sustainable benefits without overwhelming your body. Now, let's highlight the unique selling points, because this habit has several key features that set it apart from other health practices. First, unlike extreme diets, high-cost supplement routines, or complicated biohacking systems, this method is grounded in peer-reviewed science. Dr. Li references clinical results showing measurable increases in stem cell production. Second, it's a habit that almost anyone can do. no matter their age, fitness level, or medical history, because it's rooted in universally accessible lifestyle choices. Third, the results scale with consistency. You don't need perfection to see benefits. Even small efforts accumulate over time. Fourth, it improves whole body health, not just one area. Whether you care most about longevity, metabolism, skin health, muscle recovery, or inflammation, this single habit influences all of them. Finally, its biggest unique point is that it empowers people to take control of their health without feeling overwhelmed. In a world full of expensive treatments and confusing health trends, this habit gives people a powerful, science-backed tool they can use on their own terms. Of course, people always ask about the price. How much does it cost to adopt this habit? Here's the surprising part. It's essentially free. There's no subscription, no product package, no specialized gear. The cost is time, attention, and consistency. You could spend thousands on advanced stem cell therapies that require clinics and medical professionals, but Dr. Lee's message is that your body already has the blueprint to do this naturally. Instead of paying for complicated interventions, you invest in a habit that's available to everyone. It requires persistence rather than money, commitment instead of purchases. This is one of the reasons the scientific world finds the results so compelling, because they challenge the assumption that health breakthroughs always come with a high price tag. As we reach the conclusion, it becomes clear why this habit is attracting so much attention. Not only does it offer scientifically proven benefits, but it empowers people to take control of their healing and regeneration in a way that is practical, sustainable, and safe. Dr. William Lee's insights remind us that our bodies are far more capable than we often realize. Doubling stem cells in 30 days isn't just a bold claim. It's a demonstration of how powerful lifestyle science can be when paired with consistent action. The simplicity of the habit is part of its genius. It doesn't require complexity. It requires commitment. And that's why it resonates with so many people around the world. If you've been searching for a natural way to boost your health, support your immune system, enhance recovery, and slow aging from within, this habit might be exactly what you need. It proves that transformation doesn't always come from the outside. Sometimes it comes from understanding how your body works at the deepest level and aligning your daily habits to support that process. So as you move forward, take this as motivation. Your body is capable of repairing, regenerating, and renewing itself in extraordinary ways, and now you have the knowledge to unlock that potential. Thank you for watching, and if you found this review helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more science-backed insights that help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.